investigated and all of that.
No,
So
sir.
I used my account until after a week. They had sent
Every day.
the card to my husband's address. I had to call them and cancel the card and have them send the card to my current address.
Wow.
Ivany been doing a lot on the media. She been doing a lot on Instagram, not just on
So,
TikTok.
she
Coming on your live talking shit. They don't know Ivany from nowhere. They just know Ivany from TikTok.
Thank you, Chip, bro.
You understand? From here, Ivany had hack Renee 630 page on IG. She have my girlfriend, which is Habib, my customer related to Habib too. So I know about that situation. She have Abby Instagram leak stuff with Abby and what's his name again? Shensia. Again, Ramesh, because at the time Abby and Ramesh was talking. She had Shauna Chin too, and in the period of that time, that's when she got shot. Yeah, when Ivany got shot, was on the scene because everyone was on the scene.
Girl,
oh, this is all old stuff they're talking about.
This is it come from.
He exposed everything about Joe and Shauna Chin, talking about how much money Joe was sending.
Leave the past, Hold on, Kiki. Ivany have a future? Because Ivany past is our future because she don't change.
Kiki, this
Ivany is our future because Ivany don't change.
No past. She at my online banking account. How dare you come on here and talk about leave the past in the past?
When was this?
She at my account.
We all have a future, but we have future as our past because she don't change.
We all have a future. And does she make any change from then till now? You talking about we have a future.
Her little problems with her man.
Let it make sense. Let it make sense.
Come on, life, man.
Because you are an individual that have this girl incriminate her damn self. Let it make sense. Acting everybody's social media on Instagram before it was TikTok, and she exposed everybody. She even went ahead and said, "Oh, Ramesh, I have no whatever, it's small and all these things." What are you talking about?
Understand? The people that page and going and personal
expose Joe
business and expose people and them stuff. They don't know how much things that look girl do. On for boy man.
Shauna Chin and all of that. Shauna Chin tell herself, let's meet. I think it was Africa or wherever. Let's meet. Okay, the next thing I know, Ivany got supermarket and she gets shot. Shauna Chin was on the scene. I laugh. Everybody was like, "No, Shauna Chin
on the scene. I laugh and I say, "I don't get it."
So what are you talking about? Future? This is who Ivany is in real life. Somehow don't know who is Ivany.
Mighty God.
When she keep in Jamaica, on the same one I cheer for, on never yet go support her. When she
understand? Me say, Samuel. The woman keep on Ck3D. Me say she have millions of followers. You know, Samuel. The woman keep on Ck3D and a 3 slices of cake the woman sell. Nobody no go.
I was one of the individuals on Ivany live back then telling Ivany when she did her wrongdoings. I said, Ivany, you can't do that. That's wrong. Whatever. Sometimes she bypass what me say and read somebody comment under mine. So
fancy. Hold on, fancy. You see from the Ck3D. You see from them time they mean was say the followers them enable her them don't really like her. It's the drama them love. It's the drama them love. Them don't like her.
I really hope she learned her lesson.
It's the drama them love and the entertainment, and that's why them enable her. Them don't like her.
Do so much, and no matter how you try to correct.
You remember this little girl that keep on Ck3D and I must say 2 cakes she sell. I must say 2 slices of cake she sell, and she have how much followers.
Uno see one tell people to block them. Oh, black that's money they Ivany, black that's money they rare, whatever. But guess what? Uno now look on a bigger picture, so we mean her good and we want to see this girl do good in life. But what we wanna do? We wanna drag her and help her bring herself down and tell her if you do her things that she's not supposed to do. And the one that mean her good and wants to come out to something good. And them wanna tell her if you block them, I wanna shut up on not girl pan this and a boy pan this. Bully me because I have a platform for myself. But one thing none of you all motherfuckers on here not gonna do is bully me. Right is right and wrong is wrong. I have a daughter.
Exactly.
You understand? I raised my child by myself, and her dad is a soldier. But him did I keep up nonsense and I push him aside and do by myself. You understand me? Now I'm in America. My daughter is there, trying to get her here. But guess what? The father have to do for him part now until she come America and they buy me. On a for go.
Oh, you mean, man? The girl come and attack. She scammed the girl and the girl come and attack and I come talk about past.
In the right direction. She put the which part she the right now.
And then put her in there because them don't really like her. It's the drama and the entertainment them love.
Lisa, enough of them depend your life right now. Them she blocked them. Enough of them, she blocked them.
Of course, and that's why them come here talk against her.
Because even if they said hemp on her life, she blocked them.
I talk against her now.
I did mean Bonnie good. My life, my family, them a Yankee Lisa, them can't tell you, me even make them know about Bonnie. My friend them on here, them can't tell them I love Bonnie, I talk about Bonnie so much. I wanted to see this girl win so bad. I never meant her any harm or bad. I know about her situation in St. Mary because my family come from St. Mary at the time I did live at St. Mary. So I know about that.
She know Bonnie long time.
The scene. I know about it. At the time I was going to Adventist church. I know about it. So you can't tell me nothing. Me know about the machete and I know about everything. One of the go right and wrong. My daughter is old enough right now. My daughter good. She good. One of the go man.
And he can't change anyways. And she have time for change.
One nasty nurse go now when I go fancy. The day when him come from my life. The one way, the
change anyways, and she have time for
sense. What's the one nasty nurse go fancy? The day when him come from my life, the one way, the one way have a cock up in bottom. The day when him come up, I say, fancy. Whole day me and him, me a post him picture where I go rinse him.
Yeah, Sissy, teacher says she blocked me too because I follow Owie. Like, come on. Me witness Vanny beat Owie on live before the chicken thing, Lisa. Lisa, I witnessed Vanny beat on live before the chicken situation.
I just threw Owie in a while. Ivany not a bad girl. She can't beat Owie. I just threw the one a while.
Yeah, she did not
beat her on the live, put on the phone outside before she moved from the new the old apartment.
Remember, man.
Beat him couple time well
Your
before
couple time.
So when someone want to talk, say make him
I him never want liquor still. I remember how she beat him.
Okay. So what now? She couldn't ramp with Sheba, so Neela one boy she couldn't play with because Neela beat her, go and beat her. When I look at the fan Vanny, she couldn't ramp.
Every minute you look at her neck, red up, chest,
and yet still, when she did get arrested for Renee,
and that was all
girl them
for him to beat her.
Neil Simon that turn one and I don't care who got jail. Go give Vanny. Someone only know Vanny from TikTok.
Vanny. Look here. She have the baby now from Vanny pregnant. Vanny all a bleach. Vanny a black girl, you know. No for them know say Vanny pregnant and still a bleach, you know. And the young baby and still a rub and cream for her skin, you know.
About the lip, about the tattoo what she do on her face and the tattoo when she's pregnant. God bless this girl so much and she don't even see it. She have
Well,
a huge blessing of follow behind her and she don't even know it and she don't appreciate what God do for her and take her out. You come America to make a better life. Okay then. Why you don't appreciate it?
And what
Why
kind
you
of
don't do something for yourself?
mental illness? What kind of mental illness? She don't have no mental illness. You know, she come talk so she go away, whatever, and them say nothing to do her.
Everything you wanna bring down away. When not talk to this man, I try fight for him youth. He want to be a part
She
of
never
his
said
youth
nothing to
life.
do her.
Talk about some out and
You
up.
understand? I see
people,
that's what you must first, somebody say, somebody type it from my live and another lie, them I tell her, the first girl me see want to be single, the girl fight to be a single mother.
Fight to be a single mother.
Yeah,
that's
fight
what
to
it
be a single mother.
I'm pretty sure she's the only
Fight for
one.
it now, Lisa. But what about later on when the child start getting older and older and need help?
Probably them live for the moment.
Narcissist. If you're a narcissist, you don't care about nothing like that.
Live for the moment. She no business.
You know, so when Ivany, the on the phone move out of jail all a year, what them do to she not even mention the baby.
And let me tell you this: she's playing mind game with the media and the system, and you can't play with America. You can't. You can't. Now she's saying that, oh, I don't even know where my child. Remember, Bonnie came out and.
Allah, she knows for the penny there.
If you think you will get my pitney and make a sad mistake, my rather send him to Jamaica, my rather make him go into the system before you get him. So you know things that Ivany hide ice right now. She's hiding her child.
Why
Yeah,
not?
but what I am saying, the idiot, them listen up. The fool them we are trying to help her, them a help her, and she still a sink herself deeper in her hole because she hide the baby.
But how
Richard,
his name
yes,
is not on the birth.
Yes, she come out and she said, me no want back. Oh, rare, and him can't.
All right, just no one good ass.
Behind closed door.
Just no one, you know, say me no, you know what go on.
But behind closed door,
I mean, when I see over RT, I say how much money over there for be alive, and you know.
She had contact the man and said she wants to
So them
have
all
sex
watch
and all
people
these
money.
things. Oh, we said the fear. Well, Ari's the pan destiny life.
No,
Just no one.
That cousin Ari's come out and air out whatever she knows.
how we said it's not his cousin. These people
no need
and run with.
Bonnie knows that she wrong and stop make she feel like she
That's
right.
not how. Well, I saw him.
Car. Oh no.
Of course, I them helping. All right, good.
Of course, that girl, she always a ball for the man private part. She always a jealousy wife.
What's the first young girl must come on live a ball for old. You know, more the old. Or the old, more the old. What's the Allah?
What is Down the party here, me not like it. Me not want her to get deported. God forbid, I don't want her to get deported. Me not wish no bad pan her, regardless. But me want America Lisa, me want America teach Ivany a lesson, even to send her to boot camp to make sure learn it that hard way. Cause when you go boot camp, you're supposed to come out cheap.
Yeah, Archie can depart Osiris. I agree. Plus per
military
she need to learn.
know I'm Ivany, right? I know Ivany, right? Every time Ivany go jail. All right, let's say not jail, prison. Remember,
What
is the thing what she go in there to do? And she come out and tell story time about.
She enjoy and come up and tell girl in there.
Yeah,
she do this, she do that. She enjoy.
Jamaica. Remember, Ivany get for Jamaica, she come out of prison. Ivany give one piece of story about almost sexual.
She's
Exactly.
a content creator, so she's gonna do all of that.
She did in a detention but she come back and she said,
She's gonna talk about it. Content
Spanish the
creator.
blood clot because but she not a Spanish girl them. Oh come on.
Well, I'm skeptical. Yes, she agree with you. She's not going to change and all of that. But I think if the system put her, because the system, them by now, America have something for all of them type of people, I know. Boot camp is one of them, you know. Then we even send you outside to go break some car window, something, take out all your frustration and your anger on some old junkyard car or something. Because I watch these things, I follow up with these things, so I don't.
Yeah, but fancy only people when they in other country are legally. Them things them now afford it to Ivany.
Thank you.
When she go into the detention center, yeah, them will give her Mexican. Them would, the detention center, them have school, them have this, them have that. But them fatten you up, like them fatten you up and then them say they got Jamaica. When them dip here, I saw them do it now. Because people are forgetting now. That case here now.
Thank you, Florence.
Ivany can be there for weeks. Wait,
This is a serious situation. This is not a played that way. See the mother. This is a serious case and a very serious situation. Very serious situation. So even them on the line, need to know what them are doing and what them are saying. And as the guy said yesterday, Lisa, on your live, all these screen recording and all of that from the media, yes, because they're gonna use them against her.
Yeah, they're gonna use them against her.
And I don't know
for the live fancy and go check for true. Most of the script, the video them gone.
Yep. Even the one that she sent the TT tricks, they have it too. You feel me? I remember Karina and already have things on her. I remember Karina is pregnant too, so the girl will go fear for her life regardless. You sending check to her.
Where's Marla, where say I did not know that a case was open for her on April 8th for stalking.
That's one of the new charges. I'm asking about the baby. But not going
If she doesn't have the baby, you don't
No, Lawrence. Have you ever been in detention?
So don't you think that
they in detention, liar? You can come talk. Send a request and come talk, liar.
No, the
I've never come down,
the father don't.
But
his name is
fancy, I'm not ready for you to come down yet, fancy.
His name don't depend on the birth paper, so nobody not supposed to know. She have the full custody of the baby. But we are the father, not until him got court, you have a file with name. Exactly. My friend file with his name. And order him to do a DNA. Order him to do a DNA. When the DNA come out now, the judge I will give him the right to be the father, and the judge are going to make him put his name on the birth paper. But in order to collect money for both, she need lawyers. He don't need a family lawyer. Oh, we need a lawyer.
You say you can take
the baby already. She of course tell the baby, so she don't need a lawyer now. Oh, we need a lawyer.
So much. She a lawyer to fight her side. What do you mean? What if
Lady, shut your mouth. She don't need a lawyer. So
yes, she does.
family life.
She means
It's so wild and
But
funny.
and CPS of the baby, them take the baby somewhere, but they're not gonna give nobody the baby because no, I feel we name is that on the birth paper, so they're not gonna give anybody the baby. But take the baby, hold the baby, send the baby to a foster mother. Then the foster mother now keep the baby and the man wait till she come out, then she
has
if she's
family
in
and her sister
the baby see her.
foster.
Excuse me, somebody's asking what was the reason he wouldn't put on the birth certificate. The last comment.
Because she said he put his name on it, and then she went back and told the nurse that she made a mistake and wanted.
I don't believe that. I don't.
Hold on.
That's what
Somebody
she said.
said that she hid the farms somewhere and I guess create something to make our have left and then take out the paper and
Look here,
sign.
let me tell you, Ivany, anything when Ivany tell them come believe Ivany a liar. I don't believe that. She ever show the birth paper yet?
Lisa.
She ever show it yet?
Lisa.
We don't know, say she show everything. We never notice
Everything
that
on
she
the
never
ear
show
pan
that
media
she
on
just
the
start.
If they say if you name upon a birth paper, I name on the you see when you sign your birth paper, you and the father have to sign in front of a nurse. The nurse have to fill the official part and the nurse send it off. You have to sign
Everything Ivany tell them they
nurse.
believe.
You have to sign in front of a nurse. Somebody after them be there to sign on the bottom part. The nurse. You see, if she not put the father name on it, you know what she gonna do? She gonna sign up one and make Owen fill out the part and tell Owen I know same have to sign in front of her nurse because I'm first speaking and tell Owen say must send it she has send it and she fill out the
You never did this, only don't know. Period.
She has shown it. She show it. Okay.
Exactly. Nobody knows.
She's saying no. After I'm putting name on it, to talk about the nurse and tell the nurse that she made a mistake on it, and that's
I'll get a new farm.
So they choose to be more
and
from.
right. Instead of Zaire, she put Ivany right.
Are we kidding this time?
And this is all coming from her sensation who helped her.
Wickedness when she went home and fucking came to take her baby. She did it.
She used Ataya used our number and find the address in the car. She asked Destiny to do it. And Destiny said no.
All of this.
If you have a baby, nobody want to push the father out of the life. You know that can damage the baby. That can.
Me, I'm tell us the first girl must fight for me.
These people are forgetting even had the baby. And when she
relationship, we want a family, and we don't.
imagine if
on their feet. Remember, say the boy they used to them so
and being a going through
You come that where you eat up a chicken and you name of body. After she never knew.
But all right, yes, like what you talk about, eat out in whatever private area. My family them are Yankees, so me can't tell you. This is for them. Them not here. You can't shame them with telling them say them eat it up oxtail and suck it out like oxtail, bone and dairy, whatever. This is for them. Not tell us say yes. You eat it like an oxtail, I'm a soak out everything out.
Yeah, them not business, but them not
this is a Yankee thing.
Ew,
So you can't shame a Yankee by telling them,
nasty.
oh, you eat whatever.
Nasty.
Tell us
Oh,
and
ew.
next. All right. You said, oh, we eat a private part, but they still go on and kiss him. How about that?
Exactly.
Yeah, and you still do
Not a private part,
How about
our bottom.
Cheerleader there.
Ivany. You still go and suck out him after all of that. What does that make from?
Lick you back. Fancy that bit. Fancy.
All right.
Where licky back just like family.
If she said, I kiss him up or something, I lick him back.
Exactly.
Lisa, Ivany come America and think so she's Donald Trump first big daughter, and she come and act like America belong to her. No,
Ivany, I lick him back.
Come America and go on like she.
Excuse me. Somebody say he liked her at first. There are videos of them. You can see.
I think
Madman Taya and Lady P hyper.
Do you know that one of the recording that we have on Instagram that he posted, Lady P voices in it, dictating to Ivany, telling her what to do from what you support.
that when was saying me here tired.
We have that screen record because he posted on IG.
Let me tell you, Owen like her. You know, see, let me tell you, Owen
love her.
You think Ivany is smart or Ivany is not? Always smart. You notice when you can't come on.
Nobody say Lady P should you're not foreign.
You can't go on. Lisa, you can't go on. Lisa, you can't go on. Oh, like go talk about Ivany.
Lies.
One time.
Lies.
What you are the first to see the girl with in the box and I say she a cousin. Are the first to see.
No.
But like allow people for class are.
Them girl you buy
America got certain things, talk on life. Ivany, you know what you said? That's why she's a terrorist. She said, if you get the baby, should I rather be down America? Boom. That's a terrorist threat from 9/11. You cannot make that threat about America. You cannot do that about. If she said maybe she said she'll have to do something, should I walk away? Should I go in as a felony? And the lawyer that bring it down to a misdemeanor. Lawyer that bring on a case to a misdemeanor. Maybe they will make sure look a community service. But no, they feel like them are going to send her home. I'm not asking. You're going to send her home.
We don't want that for her to be. We don't want them to send her.
We don't want you don't want to wish that on nobody. But
I wouldn't want that for her.
Let me tell you about America, especially the state of Georgia. They don't like us. They're all about the whites. I see that nobody's talking, they don't care. They don't say, oh, she just have a young baby. They don't care. It could have baby, could have 1 week, 1 day. They don't care. They don't say, because they could have a job.
Ivany could have been in a New York.
But I want to say, Serena, y'all are talking.
So boy, people, the predicament where she get herself in a really mess up. So hope say she get herself out tight because it's not a good look for her. And this youth, yeah, I'm determined to get him youth. You understand? So I can watch some more with them females, yeah, say.
This year, oh, we are so bring her down.
You know what say, Janelle.
I want to talk with Serena.
Janelle. Oh, Janelle.
Serena. Make sure
You see me? You see me? I was never a fan of Ivany. I couldn't stand the little girl. And since she gets in a trouble, I kind of feel a way. Janelle know this, because somebody want to talk to about Ivany, or I feel about her. And when she gets in the trouble, I feel it. I see since we're up on the live, I come live, I say, oh no, people like, oh no, Serena, come, you know, foolish this, you know, turn me off.
And then bring her down, because guess what?
You know, turn me off.
If you
have come talk about, we are like talking about, I'm for go down.
Lisa, if you have a child and that child is doing something wrong,
I thought she just said she feels sorry for her.
I believe that.
Sir, why would you?
Here, because them say, watch
her. Go down.
Don't do it. Much American did it. Much people come up, oh, all of a sudden you're lying. Come, oh, I live in America.
Why people that part the way, them must say she should go down. You know, like a party. You know what I mean? Because anybody can end up in that situation. You see it.
Them need to go. Them have to leave America. Them come America to turn new stand to America. Turn many. Them destroy America. America.
No, Simone stylish. For how long do you have on TikTok? How long you join the app? How long you join the app, Simone? For you come here, so no,
I would have said Trump all the way. Yeah, girl, boy. Trump all the way. Trump win. Why you think Dirty Biden are bringing the man?
Alright, my people, so alright, this is me I go cut it off. You know what I mean? I want to tell me what I think about the situation where Ivany get herself in and I want to wish for her. You understand? Me no wish them thing upon, you know what I mean, nobody, because if you have a young youth and you get lucky from them, and you know what I mean, it's not a good thing. You know what I mean? It's not a good feeling. Although me not feel what she feel still, but I don't think it's a good feeling. You understand? I wish them could have come together, she and the baby father, and them work out things so that him can get to be a part in his youth life, and him not have to fight so hard to be a part in his youth life. And me still kind of blame the people them around her. You know what I mean? Some of them say them a single mother, and you know what I mean, them have baby father drama. You understand? Because the other day the girl we collect the money them or something and must pay the lawyer or whatever. Me see she have one video, you know what I mean, where she has say she have a youth, a yard, and the father kinda hold on upon the youth. So me feel like say through them I go through for them situation with for them baby father or whatever. Them I go advise her in a for them way. You know what I mean? For, you know what I mean? Deal with the youth a certain type of way and whatever. But the video we see with the woman, she has said her boyfriend must have kind of use her for money because him have the youth and them something there. Me feel like say them should have kind of talk to her off the ear, you know what I mean? Off alive, and encourage her to try work it out with Owie, so that him can see the youth, you know what I mean? Because the youth make everything reach you, so you know. I can remember when everything did just happen, we never did want to send her away in enough farm away. You understand? All the people them accompany him live and I say, you need to lock her up, him say him not do it. But he reached to a point where him say, boy, she not let him in at the youth life. So this is the result of everything. I just hope them could have come to a, you know what I mean, agreement and work things out without the reach or so. So we are going to go over to Cheese now and hear what Cheese are going with, because RT boss send back our money go give her. Alright, make you hear what Cheese I say now.
if you never read comments, you don't know so the money sit down for your account for
You don't even know them put out nothing and I say about what me send back money so me not have nothing to do with it. God some good mother the whole
I like that. A big red flag that. I like that. So
you
what you gonna do?
Have no money.
Come, I go jump off. Come, he's not a social media fan. I go jump off. One thing me have to say to you, continue the way you do fear, continue love her, continue be your best friend. But watch your surroundings and be careful and everything you have to talk. Know what you have to know, do what you have to do. If you read the Psalms, read in your bedroom for your knee, no company media, because you have bad and good for say, you have all type of thing. What for talk? Just be careful, be strong, love your girl, take care.
Say, if such man I go hold the money, I don't want that man have my money. You get me? And that me say, and I me stand with where my blood clot say, I'm not gonna change it. You hear? Yeah. So I don't need to know nothing at all what going on right now.
All right, my girl, big up yourself. I'm sorry, my day
yeah, mama, big up yourself. Cute and girl.
Yeah. Well, when you're ready, come to Germany I accept everybody. My day I'm a good boy. Yeah. German give people papers. Them not suffer nobody. Them fling documents by you in space a month. So when you're ready and you're fed up, you just come to Europe. Europe why? Austria, Germany, Italy, the whole of them places are bad for people to come. So when you're fed up, just run to the side. Yeah.
And she Taya should have known. Me and her up on the phone. And the woman go as far as, wait, me not tell no man not to go call you. And that need a wait for the call. It never reach us. So if you did tell me, say, me go send back the money or cheese, me send back the money. What the fuck do you know?
Because cheese, if it didn't
remember when everybody did don't buy you with you, girl. And you met me in this. I mean, they don't know, so they... Well, you made them show up them true colors to me. Yeah, because me back and say no thief, no money.
If you didn't know, so the money come back, cheese, you wouldn't even call her public, you'd call her private. So
exactly. And you always need to
send back your money. They shouldn't send back your money, because you have
always listen, once them pay already, them shouldn't send back the blood clot money.
Right.
You get me? If the money that go over to RT now is a different thing.
But even if it go to RT, they could have
literally say that to the woman. You mean to tell me say you not even collect you can't collect a little blood clot conversation. Me just attack a while ago on the phone.
But the money not go label cheese. The money not label. You know, say you could have RT.
You have my money. Him cannot. You say the liar pay for already. Me say okay. Come like something really wrong with Taya for you. Something wrong with
the money no label. The money is not labeled for say a cheese money. So you could have even send it in same way no label for say a fee.
Send it in to RT. No, they would have to send it back. RT can't hold my money.
Send it towards Ivany wherever I go. But towards Ivany, that may I say.
Me do what I could have do, you know.
Yes, I'm being grateful. Are you afraid?
You don't need me don't have nuts no man. I don't need to talk to nobody else now. All I got to do for Ivany is pray. That's it. There is not more I can do. What me can do, you know, see I be a bag of this. And the same dirty old man look like him and make beer mix up in the middle and nobody now see it. You know, see what I do to me and what kind blood clot. I could have him tell himself to send back the money. Taya can't carry my name. Me call Taya, me have a message when I ask Taya. Me send a message to Taya, ask her a question. You get me? The whole of the pan phone and not same one say we don't need to spend our money. Is that not say? I never know say blood clot pay for. Not say like when collect so much money, we don't need to spend our money already. Make him deal with it. And that not say. Me she not step on a blood clot call. What the fuck this? So me come off the alright, see the day when we talk, me never ask them for money, you know. And one time I hear them and say them I go pay this and I go pay that. Me call Taya yesterday and said, tap me a message her. I'm telling them message her and say. My message Taya and said to Taya.
Yo, the way me see it still, my people. Teeth and tongue I will meet still, but sometimes we have to put the differences aside for the betterment of somebody else. You understand? Because them refunding back the money to cheese, that not her cheese. You understand? Although them can get back that them can get that the money there from somebody else. Them send the money back to cheese. You know what I mean? Cheese have a money in her pocket. You understand? So she can just lock that the money there, maybe when Vany jump out, if she jump out, she can, you know what I mean, send her it personally. You see, but remember, you know, Ivany, everybody I rally around for help out, and she send her food go give them, and them send it back go give her because them in a vibes with her. Me not like that look there. Cause at the end of the day, Ivany, yeah, raise something for, and it look like say, yeah, Bantan Ivany in a way. So because and cheese have one of the differences, you go send it back. If you hurt cheese, it not go hurt her. It go hurt her if you know say yes, when you send back the money where she a try if you send for help her friend. But you just put back a money in her pocket right there, so at the end of the day, she no lose nothing right there, so you see it. So them for unite for Ivany sake still, me not lie.
Word for word.
So she kind of have her life on black screen, my people.
Mr. Zaya, zell it to me. She said, I send it tonight. I said, okay, tell her because she did say we don't have to give a cent because they collect all the money. Okay, Miss Sue link her. Okay. She said it was paid towards the 5 grand. She haven't collect no money from RT, but I say. But I think she said we don't have to use our money. Me nah get it. This just sound confused. This confused me. Taya said to me, I gonna make she call you today. Me say shake my head. Okay, and that was it. No, that wasn't it. She made okay. Me say cause I asked when we were on the call, and she said, meaning that they got all that money, we don't have to use our money. We can keep our money. That not said to me. On the call. Taya says, send me your number again. That I should call you, and me send her my calling number. After me send her my calling number, nobody call me. Nobody call me. Yesterday when we were on live, it looked like she sent me a message. Me hardly check DM. The message stated, you got it? So this morning now when time Una come say such man do that over there, so it surprised me. Well, if me don't want to be Ivany friend, what me fi do? Me and Ivany have nothing. Me can't make them make me turn my back from Vany right now. He want to get rid of me long time, but that is no problem. Me still is no problem. Because them can't stop none of my clout to come at me. Them can't stop nothing where me forget. Them can't get no praises, no glory, because I don't see none of them doing anything. I don't see none of them doing anything. Even if they want to cook up together, thank you so much. I get back my fucking $400. You understand? Thanks to God. Because that was coming from an empty fucking vessel. Cute. But the fact that me going through whatever I'm going through and still can't help, and when I go do that, it only makes it worse. In a real life. I don't say we want back the money because the woman tell we say we don't have to spend our money already. That the woman say. Alright then, me know, alright guys, I was where the bomber clock this for me now. When time this money collecting thing and this thing I want for Ivany, when me telling you say I am here for prayers. You get me? Seeing that they said they paid 500 blood clot and $5,000 and the rest of money not pay yet. That is why I came out and said, well, go on. Because such a man paid that. Why make me with a blood clot I gonna make problem about that? I know say I want back my money. I only say that because I will not say. The fuck like when I talk things I don't remember what I say. I don't remember what I say. Bro, I'm out. That's it, period. My life have to go on. Next! What go on you saying I'm a business place now? A different meds me depend. Different meds me depend right now. Yeah? Nobody no I go and black up on the blood clot if you no come ask me about no court case. Me is not no blood clot system. Me no container, me is not a computer. I don't know nothing, have nothing at all to do with that. Or would y'all ask me about the woman? When you see the people and fight me right out. Like me not gonna have access to blood clot call her and talk to her anytime when me want to. You don't need to come and in at the liar and the judge thing. Ivany is my little friend. Me done with that, that's a youth. And regardless of what, me not gonna turn my back for Ivany. If she want to come out of me and her go down the road, they're a different thing. She need everybody help and support right now. You get me? And Unuh just in for the club. Me not a nuts, not tire, you know, because bad to bad, all the time you do the wrong thing a while ago in the tire. Me not gonna shoot you down, you know, because me don't see what you're doing. You just fool and I know if you explain yourself. You get me? But them over there, so watch them. Me say for what? Watch them. Jeez, no, that's what he want. Of course, that him want. Him get what him want. That have nothing to do with me. Me not have nothing to do with that now. If me want do my thing and nobody don't want me involved, fuck that. Me no beg, you know. Me no beg, so me no give you get back. No. Just learn that. Me no give you forget back. No. In a situation, you got money that I know, but you cannot touch your money. So I can understand. Me understand Vany's situation. Because me know Ivany have money. I knows that for a fact. You understand? Right. Good. The fuck. So, kuna mama ya man. You can't see the big ogre boy I do already. If you can't see that, we're going to show you if you do it.
Them have to put them differences aside, my people, and come together. Although I think them reach them goal, or soon reach them goal, but this now help Ivany. You understand what I say? This now really help her. The bickering, the back and forth, the cussing on them something there. Although if a person, you know what I mean, try to style you or say certain things, you go and respond and nothing wrong with that. You see me? But if them could have come together and know say, yo, I feel Ivany's sake, you know. She send a food come give me. Let me lucky in it. You know what I mean? Not send it back, go give her. That no look good. Although them are progress in the collecting of funds still. You know what I mean? Because them take hours to raise a certain amount. And I think them reach them limit, you know, or them soon reach it, as me say. So them still know what them are do. And I don't like say them did urgently need it. Them just raise it in case them go need it. You understand me? Because them did have a piece of food already where them say them pay an extra or whatever. And this are just for whatever comes. So I'm going to watch some more.
I sure no. Now big people. No, I'm not to do with RT and my money. RT a plan to kill me. Me don't know if all of them money they way my collect and money for send me. Jesus Christ, me can't blood clot blame me. For send me one back my own. If I imit I go through. No, nobody can ever blame me. The man talk say man forget me deport. RT nah no money. RT get broke from $1 a time. RT a call down eviction for me. RT, you face eviction in America. I never face eviction yet. Your name there in a public record. You go look up for Nardo Smith. Go and go look up for Nardo Smith. In the landlord part of the criminal them. Yeah, not the criminal part, the landlord part. No, tenant lie. Tenant I should sell. Tenant. Go and search another split and then tell them from 2017, the 3rd of October, when time him landlord came go court. You never did pay rent. I'm sorry, them never put it to public record how much you owe. So you go through life one wicked when you want to draw people down in it. A lie you tell. God is with me. I'm going to need for link away. Because somebody send me to him too. Or can I please message you, sir? I want to speak with you. I can. I get the message from last night, but I'm going to send it. I'm going to talk to you. My friend really need me to do a little favor for you. Please call me. All right, Miss call you. I'm going to talk so because I have something to say to but a private. I dreamt we got the baby last night. Give a girl a black buttercup, black heart. But me the moderator them, black buttercup. Can the cream deliver to Jamaica? No, baby. No. Which side for Nardo Smith? Tenant. Hold on. Give me a minute. Let me tell you exactly where to go. Wait. Public record. You get put out. Junker boy. Nasty man. You get put out. But yeah. Landlord do that. My landlord now do that. God send good man come pay my rent. Wait there. Can't find it for you. I'll play with you. Munta message me of your so. It's there, man. It's there. Bad blood clot. Show your IRS judgment. I nominee Bombo clot. This is a brand new judgment dropping at the building over here saying, man. Pussy clot. Big old dirty nasty thinking broke RT boss. Well, who IRS how much 0.5 million? Let me see. A New Jersey indeed there, baby. The person who want to go search something, it was a New Jersey address. Hold on, I want new case this come up. How this close? How the blood clot this close you saw? I wish court case closed yet. How the bomber clot? Non-trial, non-jury trial. Lord Jesus. Holding Hampton. Holding Hampton. Murder. 1627 New Jersey Avenue, Newcastle. Postcode 19720. Hampton. Why them are two? Whatcha? Landlord name Alfano Erin. Alfano Erin. The war is on. I that them for know. Hold on, man. Let me find the things them. I want to see the 2023 one. Where the 2023 one for IRS? Show me that one day. She's show 2023 pictures with IRS. But me see it more on blood clot show. Me don't want the government come for me with nah show it. Me can't blood clot show this. Delaware. Why? I'm say me never got a na. Ate, you want money. Who live in Delaware? State of Delaware versus Nardo Smith. Monday, June 12, 2023. What is this? Division of the Revenue Judgment. What show them what for here? What show this? This is a brand new something. show this. Want show this. Address 1, address 2, unavailable. Attorney for plain, what? What's the charge? Hello, me no know report. It's a docket report result. Me no know what this which have to tell if you go look, you know. I don't know which have to tell if all a girl named Keisha Burford, a big old girl, me have a file over here so 2 years. And that me I tell you, dirty woman, me have your file. Oh, me tell you, pass address, homes rental property business apartment condos. Oh shush. How name Graham? Age 61.
Jano. So it look like cheese at the investigation party, boss. Why I telling people. And I just what the them did good, you know. Just what the them good. I know this. Why? So it goes still because RT boss is a man when you put him out a ground and talk. If you have something to say, I go say it out. So it look like cheese rub him the wrong way or him rub cheese the wrong way. And this is the result. You see me? I feel like the RT boss have the money still. You know what I mean? Feel like him have the money. Although in America, I credit them deal with still. You see it? You know, if you have a bag of money, you see it, you can take out anything on credit and just pay for little. See me I say? So, let me know what I think. I think more maybe forward it to when she's talk some things about him wife or whatever, but me could watch some more of this.
Keisha 45. Jesus Christ, you know who them really are trouble. I may have people in a case. Another at 37. 37 born. I mean, you want to ramp if you feel like you don't know your date of birth. You're born March. You don't know the date of March. Can't you put out the date of March? It's just a born March 1987. Call him young and a rampant big woman. Him young and look holy. Please don't do the. Please don't go to her because Van in her light. They go suck your mother. And yam your mother amazing drunk. Come on for your dog. You know who send me dog shit to the chat too much of the most to say all the while. You go suck your mama. All a black suck good girl. Come on for yes, man. Anybody can tell me who is this? Me and give you a lion now. Anybody tell me who this is? Lion right now. One fucking lion. One motherfucking lion. One lion. Then why RT changing color? Where I hide from RT, the world is going to blood clot. No. You see, whatever you're hiding from the world, RT boss, they are going to know. Who are you? What did you do to change your image? Why you change your face, look and everything? RT boss? What you mean if I RT this? What you mean if I RT this? Oh, your blood clot mean if I RT this? It's a whole case. Me have your RT in you say no. I just don't want to show them blood clots up here with IRS, you know. And that me I tell you, no dirty boy. Last year. Let me look on the date.
People, me I wonder when RT looks up. Big one thing me not lie. Me I wonder when RT looks up. Maybe our next RT that. But as me tell you say, RT boss and Dr. Love. At them are the first social media personality. And from them time there, when me know him, I see him when him look up to the day. And plus enough time him show some throwback video. And I see him way him look. So I don't know who get cheese that picture yet. More make case and come off a picture. Because I rang somebody cheese get a put up say man. Cheese, how you go out with? So I make it play out still, but I'm gonna put this over it. But I rang somebody still. I know RT that. Cheese get a wrong RT.
Indeed, cause one thing with me, now go tell no unnecessary lie. Wait there. And these are public motherfucking records. Alright, wait there, sit here. Delaware, I have a Delaware address. We can ball it out now. June 12. Monday, June 12. That is almost a year ago. I think that's 11 months. April, May. That's 10 months ago. 10 months ago. 10 months ago, you got a letter from IRS. This I will not show because me not get in trouble for this here sitting here. Yes, people, I can give you a quick view, quick one. But I can't show you it good. I'm looking at his file right now. Delaware Division of Revenue. Smith Nado at 3807. Does that ring a bell, sir? Does that ring a bell, sir? Use code when you attack. No, me can talk. Me not show this. It's an IRS judgment. Oh, I'm showing about the man now. Yes, it's him. So him did look, but him look better, yes, sir. Him look like a man, yes, sir. I man them him fix up to go hypnotize, man. Right. See me at the great RT boss. Why you change your blood clot looks? You look like a girl now. You look like a man, yes, sir. Man for act like a blood clot, man. Man for be a blood clot, man. Why you do it, John Crow? Why your blood clot do it? You are going to beat him up on the blood clot screen now. Look on the good man face where your blood clot have and go take dirty. What you do? You think you start get up me here? You see, if you not deport me, look on who them a sex ban. Look on the man foot them. Look on the man tough blood clot foot. Which woman have them here? RT, we all know what happened. And that make you hate me. You have to. Me say, I repeat, you have to get me deported. When me blood clot done with a sucker ball like you have to even come find me if the government now move me and come propose me. Me now ask me I go apply pressure. Look on this face. A face like this is only a mother can look at. Yeah? A face like this is only a mother can look at. Go suck your mother RT boss wife. This blood clot, yeah. And Nikki this and Mickey. Boy, your name Nikki. And Mickey your blood clot name. Mickey. And move your big good blood clot. Watch your hood. It can see the hood still a push out. Cause the hood still grow. Cause so your blood clot, man. Go suck on no mother the hole and get to no glass.
So people Jesus say RT was wife or a man and one bag or something. Almost everybody were in an argument with RT was say that about him wife still. But me not think so. You know what I mean? Me not think so. You see it. Although America them live still, you know what I mean? Anything you want America it there. You see me? But me not think so. Because somebody would have recognized her already and come out and say it. You see me? Me not feel so. So, you go on my people, alright? Just so me I go end this. Let me know what you think in the comment section.